To view your card number on the Navy Federal app, follow these steps. Start by opening the app on your device and logging in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab, where all your Navy Federal accounts are listed. Tap on the specific debit or credit card account for which you'd like to see the card number. In the card account view, select Manage Card to access more options related to your card. Under Card Details, you should see your card number displayed. If you have a Navy Federal Visa card, you may also be able to view the card number by tapping the Visa logo icon in the top right corner of the app. These steps will help you view your card number directly within the Navy Federal app. Make sure to keep this information secure as it contains sensitive financial details.